This match combines the brutality of Hell in a Cell, the unpredictability of War Games, and the traditional Survivor Series with the importance of the World Heavyweight Championship.
And just look at the size of this structure, Cole. It's 36 feet in diameter, 16 feet high, and it weighs an astounding 20,000 pounds.
And all that has been designed to punish the human body.
Rob Van Dam, and you can't be serious. That's way too high. Look out!
This steel structure has no soul. It has no conscience. It has 10 tons of steel and 2 miles of chain, and quite possibly the most inhumane and vile creation in the history of WWE. Right into the pod.
Oh, going to the top, high risk. Oh.
And now it looks like he's going to move to the top of that pod.
Wow, what a move from the top of the pod.
Oh, man, that was unreal.
Rob Van Dam is a two-time Intercontinental Champion. And let's not forget, he came very close to becoming World Heavyweight Champion back in September at Unforgiven in Los Angeles.
Yeah, and unfortunately for Rob Van Dam, Ric Flair and a steel chair came between him and Triple H's World Heavyweight title.
That's not going to happen here tonight, King.
Look at this, King. Going up to the next level.
Cerebral assassin, and the game hits the spine buster. There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
2.
RVD's been eliminated.
And he doesn't look very happy about it either. Chris Jericho, a co-holder of the World Tag Team Championship, would love nothing more than to leave Survivor Series with the World Heavyweight Championship.
And of course, Chris Jericho and his partner Christian captured the World Tag Team Championship last month on Raw when they defeated the Hurricane and Kane.
And you can bet Kane has not forgotten about that.
The game sticks to spine buster. Look at this. He's measuring. Face first. Pedigree from the game.
Chris Jericho.
He thinks he has it.
2. Chris Jericho will tell anybody within earshot that he is the king of the world.
Oh, he doesn't look like it now, though, does he?
No, he doesn't. But don't count Y2J out. He's had his doubters in the past. And then he went on to beat The Rock and Stone Cold Steve Austin in the same night to become the first ever undisputed champion.
Triple H knows how to polish off an opponent.
What a clothesline!
Triple H setting it up. Oh my gosh! Will it be? 1, 2.
Well, Jericho's night's over.
Turn out the lights, Jericho. The party's over.
Now we're talking. It's the five-time WCW champion Booker T.
Oh, that's it. That's got to be it. Triple H, now that's a finishing move, people.
You know, since coming to WWE, Booker T has captured both the Hardcore and World Tag Team Championship, but never the big one.
Booker T can live his dream tonight in New York City. Nobody deserves this opportunity more than Booker T.
Well, I can think of 5 guys that disagree with that statement right there, Cole.
Oh, the punch connects.
Booker T is a 5-time WCW champion and an 11-time tag team champion, and a man who owns a tag team victory over Triple H.
Yeah, but we shouldn't fail to mention that victory only came after Shawn Michaels interjected himself into the match and delivered sweet chin music to the game.
A win's a win, King. And on that night, Booker T pinned the World Heavyweight Champion in the middle of the ring.
We might be seeing the beginning of the spine buster by the game.
In the past,
His shoulders are down. 1, 2.
So long, Booker. The cerebral assassin is so ready for this.
Looks like we're going back inside. Oh my, look at this. How awesome was that?
At 6'10" tall and 320 pounds, Kane is the biggest man in this matchup, Cole.
And he may very well be the nastiest.
You've got to be kidding me.
Devastating. Simply devastating. He could pin his opponent right here.
Kane is a former WWE champion and maybe more importantly 4-1 in his career at Survivor Series.
And he would love to go 5-1 here tonight, wouldn't he, Cole?
Well, if he does, Kane would become the first ever masked World Heavyweight Champion.
And he gets out of the way. And I think he's begging him to bring it.
Kane going for it.
Oh, that's devastating. The final Intercontinental Champion, looking to fend off this attack and add World Heavyweight Champion to his long list of accomplishments.
Of course, Kane losing to Triple H at No Mercy in a match that unified the Big Red Monsters Intercontinental Championship with the game's World Heavyweight title.
Well, I really hope we see the Intercontinental Championship return one day. So many greats have held that title over the years, from Pat Patterson to Bret Hart to Mr. Perfect. The list goes on and on. Let me ask you this, Cole. What if Triple H is pinned or submits here?
That means that Triple H would be eliminated, and we would be guaranteed a new World Heavyweight Champion here tonight at Survivor Series.
And if Triple H does manage to win, he would certainly deserve to be called World Heavyweight Champion. Surviving this match. Oh, the King plants his opponent. Hey, he's going for it. Here comes another one. How's this going to affect the match?
What a move. He's going for the pin. This could be it. 2. The Big Red Machine's been eliminated.
One offense Shawn Michaels is showing at this point.
He's putting those educated feet to good use.
He does it again.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. I love it. Michaels is a performer.
And Triple H with a reversal.
Now that's because the game has a gift for getting out of trouble, Cole.
He's going for it all.
Oh, no! That's it. He's done.
Triple H was awarded the World Heavyweight Championship back on September 2nd. But if you pull the onion back one more layer, you'll see that the game is 0-6 at Survivor Series. He's winless.
Quit talking about onions. And normally Ric Flair would be a huge advantage for Triple H at ringside. But with the eliminations... Wait a minute, Michael. What is Shawn Michaels trying to do here?
He's going for the pedigree. Triple H's own move. Try to use it against him. Oh, and Michaels dropped on that steel.
Oh, the game was not going to stand for that. Look out now.
Oh!
Oh, my God.
Shawn Michaels sent right into the pod. Through that Lexan.
He went crashing right into that chamber. How is Michaels going to survive that?
This chamber is so dangerous. It'll cut short careers.
God, is he pressing a secret button to move that fast? I mean, those kicks won't give you a good feeling. I can promise you that.
Oh, man, is he fired up.
Triple H doing a great job of turning that around.
What a fierce kick. Doing whatever it takes to win.
You can't be serious. That's way too high. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, what a brutal shot.
He anticipated that move perfectly. Oh, in this very arena, at WrestleMania 10, Shawn Michaels squared off against Razor Ramon in a groundbreaking ladder match for the Intercontinental Championship.
And now 8 years later, Shawn Michaels is a part of history in this arena again. This time, the first ever Elimination Chamber match for the World Heavyweight Championship.
Now, unfortunately for Michaels, Razor Ramon walked away with the win at WrestleMania. But this is a different Michaels here tonight. He believes he can win. And quite frankly, so do I. Every time he has to get up, it takes more and more effort. You know, Cole, I hear people say that Triple H doesn't deserve the World Heavyweight.
Where's he going now?
Heads up!
It connects. Talk about high risk.
Yeah, I loved it. Do it again. Triple H may be out of it. He's heading back up.
Look at this, Kane. Going up to the next level.
Ah! Uh-oh. Look out! Shawn's getting some rhythm going. That's it. He's out.
There's the cover.
Can he do it?
2, 3.
Shawn Michaels has done the impossible, Cole. There's a new sheriff in town.
Shawn Michaels is back in the record books. Shawn Michaels is back on top. Shawn Michaels is the man. Shawn Michaels is the World Heavyweight Champion.